It's already noon, and I haven't eaten anything yet, so I'm going to get something to eat. Let's see what happens here. So I walk in the yard, and look at this. Look at that, man, is that great. Here's some dandelion leaves, beautiful, tender looking leaves. Man, are these looking good. Wow, I'm going to get this here. And it's just like taking a mower over it. It really doesn't hurt the dandelion as long as you don't rip it out by the roots. And I only cut the leaves part way off because they grow back. Now, dandelion flowers don't look real good today, but I know they're good because they're really big out here. I'm going to take the flowers. I always want the dandelions to come to a day where they're spreading their seeds all over. Here's some long leaf plantain right next to it. Look at this. This is my yard garden. It actually has more nutritious foods than what I get out of a grocery store. This stuff is really good. Plantain, look at that. And I'm walking over here. Here's my sidewalk. Look at that. It's an old time thing sinking in now. Needs repair. Okay, here's what I'm looking. Fireweed. Get some leaves. Fireweed. Look at the clover. Wow. Look at those beautiful clover leaves. I'm always going to leave some because I want the plant to grow. Absolutely want these to grow. Look at that. Man, I got some big ones. Look at that. Here's another plant. So I don't take all of them. I don't destroy the plants. I don't want to destroy plants. And look at this. I take the flower, put my thumbnail right there. There it is. I got my thumbnail and I pinch it off. That's how I pick the flowers on the dandelions. Look at this. Here's my onions. This is my garden here. It doesn't look like a garden. So I'm going to get the onions, put it in there, and look at this. Lamb's quarters. These are so good. These are delicious. They give you energy. All this stuff gives you energy. It's super, super good. Super good. Yep. Yep, that's super good. Look, here's a big dandelion. People look at my garden and say, how come you got these weeds in your garden? Oh, man, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry to have the weeds. Sorry there's no food for you to eat. I'm sorry. And little do they know, they're missing the good stuff. Okay. I'm going to try one of these. Here's some young leaf. Here, let's try this one. Here's a young leaf. Get a lot of flavor in it that I'm not expecting there. Heck, I mean, it's not a fireweed. That looks more like a, heck, I got them all over. Had them for years. I forgot the name of them. But they're edible too, and they taste a little bit like licorice. A lot like licorice. All right, look at these. These are white. These small ones, this is white clover. And these big ones is a patch of red clover. Got a lot of stems. I'm going to eat them too. I'm not going to waste them. I don't know what those are. I have to do some research. But I know there's violets around here. There's a patch of violets. Here's some violet leaves. Look at this. Violet leaves. I'm not going to kill the plants. So I'm taking just some of the leaves. The violet leaves. Look at this. Better taste today as compared to yesterday. I don't know why. It stormed all night. Maybe that's it. Here's a violet patch. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to show you what we do. I'm going inside. And I'm going to show you what we do, how I eat it. It's real good, man. This is so good. It's so good. Well, this is it. This is my breakfast here, but I'm going to put a little ham into it, some chunks of ham. I got some big chunks, man. Look at that. Just take some big chunks of ham and throw it in there for some crunch, some trail mix. Look at that. Look at that. There's some cheese. Look at that. I'll tell you, this is good stuff, man. It's delicious, unbelievable. What's this here? A vinaigrette. See, the vinegar takes out the bitter taste. We don't want that bitter taste, but there's not much of a bitter on a lot of these plants. You could eat them without getting sick. The bitter's not that bad. But this stuff is just fantastic when I use this balsamic dressing here. It's fantastic. So I'm going to eat.